All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started. This week we're going to start with math. So everybody pull out your packets and let's look at the calendar on the first page. We're looking at Monday. So in this calendar it says count 1 through 10 non-movable objects in a line. Then complete lesson 1 handout page 71 and 74. So let's go ahead and count 1 through 10 first. All right, you are going to count with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job counting to 10. Now, we are going to complete lesson 1. So let's go look for 71. So this is our first worksheet. It says, count each flower. How many are there? So you're going to count the flowers and then you're going to write it here. Then number 2 says, draw dots in each circle for the numbers given. So what number do we have here? 7. Good job. So right here, you're going to draw 7 dots. Plus, how many do we have here? 1. And then you are going to add and then write your answer. How many dots all together? So whatever you got here would go here. Let's go to the next worksheet. Cut out the daisies and tulips on page 135. Make an ABAB pattern with the flowers. So we are not going to cut daisies. We are going to color. Let's color a box. And you're going to color it with 2 different colors. So you're going to do an ABA pattern. Do you remember what an ABA pattern was? So ABA pattern is A, B, A, B, A, B. So you can do 2 different colors. Then it says make a set of 9 dots in the circle. So you're going to do 9 dots in the circle. And then that's it. Those are your only 2 worksheets that you're going to be working on today. Once you are done, make sure you submit it for a grade. Take a picture and submit it for a grade. Good luck.